Welcome back. It's your boy Drew from drewgotinfo, DGI, whatever y'all want to call it. I'm sticking with DGI though. But today I want to talk about establishing credit. Now, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe below and make sure you hit the little bell so you can get my notifications on all my videos that I have coming up. I have lots of great content. Today we're going to focus on building credit. Couple of good ways to take advantage of starting your credit. Now, this is not for somebody who's doing well with credit, who's already, has a lot of knowledge. This is for our newcomers. This is for the younger crowd, or this is for somebody who doesn't have, credit yet, or has started but hasn't been making good choices. So one, and I don't have these in particular order. Have a bank account. Be with that bank for a while. Take out a small loan, $500 or $1,000, for example. Pay it back. That is a very good way to establish a relationship with your bank, for one, and to start your credit history. Two, like I said, these are not in any order. If you're old enough, go buy a car. Now, I'm not saying go spend tons of money, and I'm not saying just run to a car lot and let somebody run your credit. But it's definitely a way to help boost your credit, and you're not going to get turned down with bad credit to buy a car. Interest rates might be higher, payments might be higher. The world we living in now, you're pretty much going to get, approved. So buying a car can help jumpstart it, and you can actually track it, over time after your payments, after 6 months to a year, and see your progress as you go. So I feel like, buying a car is a good way too. Three, this is one that I feel like out of all of them, you got to be very careful with, and that's purchasing a credit card or applying for a credit card, however you want to look at it. And make sure it's a secure credit card. Or it could be a regular credit card, but with a secure credit card, like if you want to spend $300, you have to pay $300 up front. So it's it sounds like it's a little more protected, but I have to get a little bit more insight about secure credit card. I use a personal credit card. That's what I started with. That's not how I just started my credit, but that's one of the ways that I started my credit. And make sure you keep your usability pretty low, meaning like if you've been approved from a credit card from your bank, I've never owned a credit card from like a retail store or anything. Those could be good too, because I know you get cash back, savings, rewards. Just watch the interest rates and just watch your spending. But with a bank credit card, I like it because I have a huge limit. But let's say for example, your credit card limit is $5,000. Your utilization matters a lot. So to stay in a low utilization, you really can't spend no more than like $1,000 is already almost a fourth. So I don't know how low that's gonna be with just a $5 max that you got on your limit for your credit card. So pay attention to your utilization. Try to keep it low as possible, but make sure you're using it. It could be for small payments, it could be for gas or anything. And that's going to keep you going, because what a lot of people don't know and don't realize, and it took me a minute to realize, the age of your credit history is what helps you a lot. So you could have $1,000 on your credit card, or you can have $1,000 loan. Just, I'm not saying take forever to pay it off, but, just make payments on it. And soon as you pay off a loan or any account, that's the end of their credit history for that account. So it's nothing wrong with, letting it, just keep going. Or if you have too much debt, pay something off, but keep it going. It's just your boy Drew. This is the info for today. Now, be sure to email me at drewgotinfo for more content, insight, if you got any questions about anything. But also be sure to leave comments. Let me know what you guys think about this video. Also, be sure to check out my other videos and my other content. It's your boy Drew.